Hey guys, good morning, seventh grade. Hope all is well with you and that you and your families are staying safe during this whole COVID-19 outbreak. Uh, Miss you guys, but looks like we're going to have to rely on some technology in order to get our learning on. So, uh, the introduction to what we are going to be doing. We're going to be learning about Frederick Douglass. We're going to be looking at slavery. We're going to be looking at the abolitionist movement. To abolish something is to get rid of. So, abolitionists is the term that we use to reference people who, during the 1800s, wanted to see slavery abolished, gotten rid of across the board. So, uh, Frederick Douglass used his ability to tell stories from his perspective in order to get the sympathy and support of people in the North and some sympathizers in the South that were a part of this anti slavery movement. And his stories were so powerful, it moved people into action. And what we're going to be exploring is the more personal part of his stories and what made them so powerful. So, the opening question is, what makes a story powerful? What about somebody's experience or words or anything that they share with you connects to you, that brings you in, that makes you remember that story? Because that's what we're talking about here. The power in a story is something that allows it to stay with you, that you want to have resonate within you. So that's our opening topic right now. What gives a story its power? Uh, I'm going to save my response for Flipgrid, which is what I am going to have you all do as well. We're all going to record a minimum 30-second Flipgrid. It can go up to a minute and 30 seconds if you'd like, but minimum 30 seconds about what gives a story its power. And I would like you to connect that to something that you have personally experienced, a story that you find powerful that you would like to share with everybody, and why you feel that way about it. So let's go ahead and get started with that at your convenience. All of these assignments are going to be due Wednesday, March 25th by 9 a.m. So that's why I'm going to be staggering these things, and I'll have that all listed out for you on Google Classroom. But we'll get started now, and you'll have until Wednesday at 8:59 a.m. to get this all completed. So I look forward to your responses. I'm excited and nervous about how this is going to go, but more so excited because I know that it's new for all of us, and we're going to be in it together. So appreciate your time, guys. I look forward to your responses again, and be safe, stay well, and we'll be talking soon. Bye bye.